In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send a survey by email with SurveyMonkey. First thing you need to do is make sure that you're logged in or signed up into your account. Click on this Get Started Free right here or right here in order to sign up for an account. Now, if you already have an account, you can proceed to just head over and click on Login right here. So since I already have one, let me head over and log in. So this is actually a survey that I have on SurveyMonkey. So this is a remote work employee check-in survey. Now I want to send this survey via email. So in order to do that, I just need to click onto this collect responses option right there. Once you have clicked on this, you will be redirected in here to this part. I have in here this collectors option. We have link, we have embed, but we don't have an email yet. So proceed to scroll down and in here you can see this email option. So for this case, you can just input right here this right there. But as you can see, it's only available to people who are actually upgraded to the account. So this email invitation collector creates a link that is uniquely tied to respondent's email address. So with this, you can actually easily track down who responded. You can send follow-up emails and monitor email analytics. So for this case, you can proceed to click onto this upgrade. And once you have done that, you should be able to see in here the pricing of SurveyMonkey. You can see some individual as well as team plans that you can get. You can see in here their features. Proceed to select in here right there. And on this feature, you can actually just send this particular survey via email onto this particular option. So proceed to sign up for an account or upgrade for a plan. And you should be able to send it to people that you wish to track who responded. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.